How's it going, guys? I just got my Xbox Series X in the mail today. It's looking super nice. And I did something to it. It turns on just as usual. I added RGB lighting. So it definitely adds a little kick to it. Could change the color, or blue, red, orange, pink. I mean, you name it. We can even change it so it does a full spectrum. Super easy. It's a plug and play kit I'm selling and does not void your warranty if you're able to get the sticker off like I did with a heat gun or hair dryer. You pull that sticker off, 2 screws, one back here, one more right here. This panel pops up, I'm going to release a video, and this kit will be coming soon for you guys. So give me a like below, go ahead and subscribe, and keep updated so I can release that video and you can purchase your own kit. Awesome. Well, thanks, guys.